In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize email subscription pages in Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into Hubspot and onto the search bar, proceed to search for subscription until you can find the email subscription settings. So click on this right here. Once you have done that, it will be redirected right there onto the actual settings. You can find settings by clicking on the gear icon and clicking under the email under the tools. With this, you can see the default subscription preference page. You can head over and edit it by clicking onto this action and clicking on the edit option if you have access for this page. Do take note that it only unlocks access with the HubSpot Marketing Pro subscription, so you can only customize this particular page if you have subscribed to that particular plan. You'll also see right here the default subscription confirmation as well as a default backup on subscribe page. With that, you can head over and edit it once you have subscribed. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Hubspot guides, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.